let's move to the question number 3. The third term of the geometric progression is 18 and the sum of the first three terms is 26. It is given that the common ratio is negative. Find the 10th term of the progression. Give your answer to three significant figures. First of all, we should know that geometric progression is a comma ar comma ar square comma ar cube dot. And in the geometric progression ratio remain same. Second thing, we should know that to find the nth term of the geometric progression, we have Tn, which is equals to a r to the power of n minus 1. If we want to find the 10th term, so in this case n will be 10. Okay, so we need to find the 10th term by using the given data. The given data is the third term of the geometric progression is 18. So we know that AR third term is T3, which is AR to the power of n minus 1, which is equals to the AR 3 minus 1, which is equals to AR square. Okay, which is 18. So this is the third term. Also, the sum of the first three terms is 26. So we know that first three terms are, their sum is a plus ar plus ar square, which is equals to 26. So we have two information and we need to find the 10th term. So 10th term is equals to T10, which is equals to ar to the power of 10 minus 1, and this one is equals to the ar to the power of 9. So we need to find the information of a and r by using these two equations. Okay, we need to find the value of a and r. This one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. Okay, we can divide equation 2 by equation 1. Divide equation 2 by equation 1. We have equation 2 is a plus ar plus ar square over ar square, which is equals to the 26 over 18. Further solving, we will have a over ar square plus ar over ar square plus ar square over ar square, which is equal to the 26 over 18. This a will be cancelled out. Here a and r will be cancelled out, and in this case ar square will be cancelled out. So we will have 1 over r square plus 1 over r plus 1 is equals to the, we can further solve this 13, and this one will be 9. So we will have 13 over 9. Now we will take LCM on the left hand side. So we will have r square, and this will be 1 plus r square, which will be equal to 13 over 9. After cross multiplication, we will have 9 plus 9r plus 9r square, which is equal to 13r square. Further solving, we will have 13r square minus 9r square minus 9r minus 9 equal to 0, and this will be equal to 4r square minus 9r minus 9 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation to find the value of r, and the quadratic equation can be solved by using quadratic formula or by the factorization. In this case, we know that negative 9 times 4 is equal to 36, and this negative 9 can be achieved by multiplying negative 12 times 3 equals to 36. So this equation can be written as 4r square minus 12r plus 3r minus 9 equal to 0, and when we take common 4r from first two terms, 4r, and this one will be r minus 3. We will take 3 common from these two terms. We will have 3 and r minus 3, and this one is equal to 0. And r minus 3 common from these two terms, we will have 4r plus 3 equal to 0. So we have two factors of the r. Equating each with 0, we will have r minus 3 equal to 0, and this one is equal to r is equal to 3. So we have value of r, ratio, common ratio is 3, and on the other side we will have 4r plus 3 equal to 0, and this one is equal to r is equal to negative 3 over 4. So we have one positive value and other one is negative value. It is given that common ratio should be negative, so we will consider this one. So we have calculated the value of r. Now we need to find the value of a, first term. So we will plug this value in equation 1. Plugging r equal to negative 3 over 4 in equation 1. So we will have ar square is equal to 18. Ar square is equal to 18. So in this case r is negative 3 over 4. So r means negative 3 over 4 square is equal to 18, and in this case a is a times 9 over 16 is equal to 18, and this one will be 2. So we will have a is equal to 32. So we have calculated the value of a and r, and we need to find the 10th term, and 10th term is equal to the ar to the power of 9. So 10th term will be t10 is equal to ar to the power of 9, and this one is equal to 32. A is 32 times r, which is negative 3 over 4 to the power of 9. By using calculator, we will have negative 2.402. So we can say that 10th term is negative 2.402. Okay, now let's move to the part B. Find the exact value of the sum to infinity of the progression. And in this case, the ratio is negative 3 over 4. And we know that to find the sum to infinity, we have formula which is equal to a over 1 minus r. And in this case, r should be less than 1 and greater than negative 1. This value of r negative 3 over 4 satisfy this range. So we can use this formula. So as infinity is equal to a which is 32 over 1 minus r which is negative 3 over 4. Further solving, we will have 32 over 1 plus 3 over 4. Taking LCM in denominator, we will have 32 over 4 plus 3 over 4, and this one is equal to 32 times 4 over 7. And further solving, we will have sum to infinity is 128 over 7. So we have calculated the required sum to infinity value.